After a failed Nintendo venture to unleash the PlayStation as the Super Nintendo Entertainment System (CD) in the early 1990s, Sony chose to sell its own console. The PlayStation was published in Japan in December 1994 and made its American debut in September 1995. Both releases attracted critical praise and impressive sales. Titles like Final Fantasy VII, Tomb Raider, and Gran Turismo were very common. By 2005, the PlayStation had been the first console to sell 100 million units with the launch price of $299. PlayStation's premier titles featured beloved fans such as Crash Bandicoot and Tekken, both of which inspired several sequels. The original PlayStation resumed production until March 2005, when the new wave of 64-bit consoles, including Sony's own PlayStation 2, released in the early 2000s, were eclipsed with the launch price same as PlayStation. The PS2 introduced the opportunity to play over the internet, which, coupled with the biggest line of games ever advertised for the console, led to its sales supremacy over its 64-bit competitors Sega Dreamcast and Nintendo GameCube. In reality, PlayStation 2 shipped 100 million units faster than all of its predecessors or contemporaries, reaching up to 157 million. Titles like GTA 3 and for Speed Underground were very popular. However, the next PlayStation console, PlayStation 3, released in between 2006 and 2007 with a launch price of $600, did not achieve the same initial popularity as the previous incarnations of the console, with continued rivalry from the Microsoft Xbox 360 and Nintendo Wii. The PS3 went on to sell 87 million units worldwide. Some of the PlayStation's premier titles featured beloved fans such as GTA 5, The Last of Us,
Dad?
I'm here, baby. I'm here. Come, give me your hand. What is it?
My leg hurts.
How bad? We're gonna need to run. Keep us safe. Come on, baby. Now hold on tight.
and Uncharted 2, both of which inspired several sequels.
When you said Lazarevich had a head start on us, you weren't kidding.
Well, he's had some help from the local guerrillas. The city's been on the brink of civil war for years. He just needed to throw a little gasoline on the fire.
Charming.
Yeah, well, all the chaos provides some cover while he destroys the city looking for the right temple. Nate? Hello?
Yeah, I'm still here.
You're not having second thoughts, are you?
Oh, me? Never.
Good, because I'm so ready to be done with these clowns. You got a map?
Yeah.
I'll meet you in the old market. Things are pretty quiet over there.
All right, you got it. Uh-oh. I got company.
Oh, great. Can you lose them?
I think it might be too late for that.
Come on.
Nate, are you alright?
I've been better.
In 2013, Sony launched PlayStation 4, a next-gen console with a launch price of $400 intended to compete with Xbox One. Critics and players welcomed the new platform. offering excellent graphics and a seamless online gaming experience. PS4 also acted as a Blu-ray player and a video storage system, and the Sony PlayStation Now subscription service offered access to hundreds of new and legacy titles like Uncharted 4,
Don't panic! Don't panic! I got you! Hold on tight, kid! I got you! Come on, come on! You okay? It's been better. Get us out of this, kid.
Red Dead Redemption 2,
Come on, watch it. I'll sleep. What? Major force, mister.
and Call of Duty World War II were a massive hit.
Jesus. Hurry before they reload! Move it! Daniel, get to the seawall! Now go breach that seawall! Get to the seawall! I'll meet you there!
With the introduction of PlayStation VR in the October 2016, Sony joined the expanding virtual reality market. The PSVR setup featured both a PS4 and a VR headset and controllers. PSVR was priced far below similar PC-based VR systems, causing many to believe that it would make substantial inroads into the market. But weak sales around the VR industry prompted analysts to massively reduce their forecasts. Sony has reimagined the core aspects of the system, including a streamlined configuration to a modern, well-designed user interface to a creative controller and an additional benefits for PS Plus owners. And the result is a console that we can't help but to be pleased with. Yeah, there are issues with how few first-party games are released, and it would have been great to see support for previous versions of PlayStation titles. Not just PS4 games, but PlayStation 5 already feels like a good purchase, and the PS5 experience will grow with maturity. Tech reviewers like MKBHD, Dave2D, and Unbox Therapy said it was a huge blow to the gaming console community. The PS5 caters to both pumped and ready-made next-gen players and tepid PS4 owners looking to dip their toes into the future of gaming and for the later. And it's a console that so effortlessly fills the divide between the previous generation and the next generation that you certainly won't ever need to fire up your PS4 again. From huge improvements like the super fast NVMe SSD and powerful GPU that allow higher frame rates and ray tracing, to small touches like built-in microphone on the controller that can act as an easy stand-in for the headset, the PS5 feels like it's built for easy use as well as sheer strength. The PlayStation series has came a long way with the next-gen tech. Let us know in the comment section which console you own, and don't forget to subscribe.